Welcome to Always Dolls. This is Sarah, and thanks for joining me. To complete our dolls' festive feast, we will share with you how to make delicious side dishes to accompany the glazed Christmas ham. Turn paperboard into honey roasted carrots and tissues into creamy mashed potato. Our DIYs are quick to craft, so let's get making! For the roasted carrots, start with orange cardstock. At the corner of the cardstock, draw an arc and cut it out. Measure in 1 centimetre from the tip, then cut off a smaller wedge. Generously apply glue to one side of the shape. Use a paintbrush with a thin tapered handle to shape the carrot. Place the end of the handle at the tip of the cardstock and fold over the flat edge. Use the pressure from your thumbs to roll the paper into a cone shape. For the carrot fronds, we will harvest the green leaves from this faux Christmas plant. To attach them, fill the open top of the carrot with drops of hot glue. Insert a cluster of the leaves into the hot glue and hold them while the glue sets. Next, take a rectangle of orange cardstock the same height as your carrot and cut thin slithers down the paper. We will use this piece to add detail to our carrot. Generously cover both the carrot and the back of our paper strip with liquid glue. Align the carrot in the middle of the strip and press firmly. Curl the paper over the carrot to cover it from the front to the back. You may need to hold the paper strip while the glue adheres to the carrot. Trim off the excess paper, and now your carrot has more dimension and realism. Use this technique to DIY more carrots. However, to make them look roasted, we will need to shade them with some brown paint. Apply the colour heavily at the top and tip of the carrot, then dry brush more paint across the middle to pull out the texture we added earlier. To give our carrots a shiny finish, paint them generously with a gloss medium. We will serve our carrots in this Our Generation fry pan. Off camera, we glued some of our carrots into bunches, but we also left some individual so we can place them on our doll plate. Perfect! Now let's make a super quick mashed potato. For this, we are using 3 tissues. Tease apart each individual tissue, then tear them into chunky pieces, placing them into a bowl. Next, saturate the tissues with lots and lots of liquid glue. We also misted the tissues with a little water from a spray bottle. Use your fingers to spread the glue all over the tissues, forming a clump. Here, we will serve our mashed potato in a small plastic condiments bowl. Pop the clumped tissues into the bowl, pressing firmly so it makes contact with the bottom and sides. You can use your finger or the tip of a plastic paintbrush to sculpt the swirl details in the mashed potato. When you're happy with how it looks, set aside to dry and harden. In the meantime, cut 2 small squares of fun foam for the knobs of butter and paint them a soft yellow colour. When the paint is dry, glue your squares of butter to the top of the mashed potato dish. You can also gloss them with Mod Podge for that extra shine. Such a quick and easy DIY, but it's so effective. The mashed potato and roasted carrots are the perfect accompaniment to our DIY glazed ham. I hope you have enjoyed this series of Christmas food crafts for the dolls. And from my family to yours, we wish you a Merry Christmas and a safe, Happy New Year. See you soon for more miniature crafting fun.